Welcome back, dear learners. You are listening to the JISH Learn English podcast. I am Shaylin. I have received many comments from you. You say that you can write English comfortably, but when it comes to speaking, you don't feel the same confidence. That's okay. Many learners feel the same. This is the first episode in the Comprehensible Input series. So, what is comprehensible input? It is a way of learning English by speaking about what you see in front of you. You try to explain it using many words. When you do this, you search your mind. You look for words to explain what you see. This helps you remember words and use them naturally. That is what we are going to do today. I will show you 2 videos. Then I will explain what is happening in them. You can use this opportunity to learn new words. You can also shadow me. That means repeat after me and practice speaking. Now let's start with the first video. I am giving you 10 seconds to watch it. If you need more time, you can pause the episode. Try to explain in detail what you see in the video. Then, I will explain it in my words. Watch it now. All right. I hope you have tried to explain it. If you were not able to explain it right now, don't worry. I will now explain it in my words, what I am seeing in this video. Listen to my words carefully and match them with what you see in the video. What I am seeing is there is a family, a happy family, sitting outside together. They are sitting on the grass. The weather looks sunny and nice. Everyone looks happy and calm. We can also say they look relaxed. Relaxed means they are peaceful, not stressed, not worried. The parents are sitting close to their children. They are smiling. The kids are also smiling. They look playful. Playful means they want to have fun. They are full of energy. Another word we can use is cheerful. Cheerful means very happy and positive. The sunlight is bright and the grass looks green and beautiful. When sunlight touches the grass, we can say it is a sunlit meadow. Meadow means an open field with grass and flowers. So instead of saying they are sitting on the grass, we can say they are sitting in a sunlit meadow. Doesn't that sound beautiful? The family is enjoying time together. We can say they are spending quality time together. Quality time means good, meaningful time with the people you love. Maybe they're having a picnic, or maybe they are just relaxing after a long week. Look at their faces. Everyone seems content. Content means happy and satisfied, not just smiling, but peaceful inside. We can also say they look joyful. Joyful means full of joy or full of happiness. This moment feels very calm and nice. We can say it feels peaceful. Peaceful means quiet, calm, and full of good feelings. The whole family is together. We can call this togetherness. Togetherness means they're close and they love being with each other. So in this picture, we see love, peace, and happiness. We see a family enjoying the simple things in life: sunshine, nature, and each other's company. Did you see how a simple video can teach us so many new words? Which words were new to you? Now let's speak together. Let's say some sentences from this explanation. Repeat after me. I will say each sentence twice. Then you say it with me. They are sitting on the grass. They are sitting on the grass. The weather looks sunny and nice. The weather looks sunny and nice. Everyone looks happy and calm. Everyone looks happy and calm. The parents are sitting close to their children. The parents are sitting close to their children. The kids look playful. The kids look playful. The sunlight is bright, and the grass looks green. The sunlight is bright, and the grass looks green. They are sitting in a sunlit meadow. They are sitting in a sunlit meadow. The family is spending quality time together. The family is spending quality time together. Everyone seems content. Everyone seems content. This moment feels peaceful and joyful. This moment feels peaceful and joyful. Well done! We learned so many useful words in this first video. Now let's continue with the next video. Put your brain to work and try to explain it. Here is the next video for today. You have 10 seconds to watch it and explain it in your own words. Or, if you need more time, pause the video and explain it in your own words.
Okay, everyone, I hope you tried explaining it. Here is what I am getting from this video. The environment looks like a restaurant. A beautiful, modern restaurant with soft lights and a calm feeling. There's a man and a woman sitting together at a table. And look, a waiter is standing beside them. He's holding a small notebook in his hand. The woman is wearing red. She's looking at the menu very carefully. It seems like she's trying to decide what to eat. The man sitting across from her is talking. Maybe he is asking the waiter about the food. He looks serious but polite. It seems he wants to choose the best dish. We can also say he seems engaged in a conversation. Engaged means he is focused and interested in what they're talking about. The waiter is standing straight, listening carefully.
He looks professional and respectful, just like a good waiter should. He's holding his notepad, ready to write down their order. We can also say, the waiter listens attentively. Attentively means he is paying full attention. He is not distracted. He is focused on the customers. Now look at his hands. He's moving them a little while talking. That's called gesturing. When we say someone gestures, it means they use their hands to express what they are saying. The atmosphere of the restaurant feels warm and peaceful. There are soft yellow lights, clean glasses on the table, and a quiet background. We can say, the restaurant has a cozy atmosphere. Cozy means comfortable and pleasant, a place where you feel relaxed and welcome. The woman is still reading the menu. She looks thoughtful. Thoughtful means she is thinking deeply or carefully. Maybe she's deciding between two dishes. The man is explaining something. Maybe he's sharing his opinion or asking about the ingredients. And the waiter, he's patiently listening, giving small, polite answers. We can also say, the waiter responds politely. Responds means answers, and politely means with good manners and respect. Now, look at the ending. This is my favorite part. The man says something, maybe a small joke or a friendly comment. The waiter's face changes. He smiles, a big, friendly, real smile. It's not just a work smile. It's a heartfelt smile. Heartfelt means it comes from the heart, warm, honest, and full of feeling. We can say, the waiter gives a heartfelt smile. Doesn't that sound beautiful? That smile shows good manners and kindness. It makes the atmosphere even warmer.
The man also smiles. It's a friendly exchange, a small but meaningful human connection. So, what do we see in this picture? We see politeness, respect, and warmth. We see how people communicate kindly in a restaurant. It's not just about food. It's about connection, friendliness, and understanding each other. We can say, this scene shows a warm interaction in a calm and cozy restaurant. Interaction means people talking or communicating with each other. So in this short moment, we see listening, respect, and a heartfelt smile. All the little things that make human communication beautiful. Now, let's say some sentences from this explanation. Repeat after me. I will say each sentence twice. Then you say it with me.
The environment looks like a restaurant. The environment looks like a restaurant. A man and a woman are sitting together at a table. A man and a woman are sitting together at a table. The woman is looking at the menu carefully. The woman is looking at the menu carefully. The man is talking politely. The man is talking politely. He seems engaged in a conversation. He seems engaged in a conversation. The waiter is listening attentively. The waiter is listening attentively. The waiter gestures while talking. The waiter gestures while talking. The restaurant has a cozy atmosphere. The restaurant has a cozy atmosphere. The man and waiter share a heartfelt smile. The man and waiter share a heartfelt smile. This scene shows a warm interaction in a calm and cozy restaurant. This scene shows a warm interaction in a calm and cozy restaurant. Well done! Now with this, we are now done with this episode. You will regularly get new videos in this series, so save this playlist. I will try to make it more fun and easy for you to learn new words and speak English fluently. One request I have from you. If you think you are getting any valuable information from me, please show your support. Help me grow my channel. This channel needs your support, so please show your love by liking the episodes, sharing them, and subscribing to get connected with the channel. I am grateful to all of you for helping me reach where I am today. Truly grateful. All right, visit the channel tomorrow. I will upload daily videos from now on to support your English learning. I am hoping to get your support. See you all tomorrow. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.